Hello everyone. So today we'll see what is back propagation. Okay, back propagation is nothing but it is a supervised learning that we learned in machine learning. Okay, it is an algorithm used for training artificial neural networks, which is artificial neural networks is also called as ANN in deep learning. Okay, what is back propagation? It is a supervised learning algorithm which is used for training artificial neural networks in deep learning. Easy. Okay, next in this there are few types, which is forward propagation, backward propagation. We'll see in detail. Okay, first we'll see what is forward propagation. Forward propagation is nothing but the input data is passed through the neural network layer by layer to produce an output. So have you seen those circles? Right, they are all neural network. Now here the input data is passed through the neural network layer by layer to produce an output. I'll just show you 1 second. Like this we have this, right, input layer, and then we have hidden layers, and then we have an output layer, right, like this. Okay. Okay, so here, now each layer performs a weighted sum of its input and applies an activation function to produce output. What happens? Each layer here, it performs a weighted sum of its inputs and applies an activation function to produce output. So every layer it is performing weighted sum, okay, of its inputs and applies an activation function to produce output. Next one. Here next is backward propagation. A backward propagation is nothing but the error is calculated by comparing the predicted output. So whatever output you're getting, that output is predicted. Comparing what? Comparing the predicted output, error is calculated, okay, with the actual target values. With what values? Actual target values that you're giving in the input. Okay, next is the error is then propagated backward through the network. If that actual target values are not predicted correct, then they are sent back, they are sent backward through the network. Okay, then the third one, in this backward propagation only we have this gradient descent, which means it is an optimization algorithm used during back propagation to minimize the error. So if there are any errors, to minimize that error we are using this gradient descent. Then neural networks use differentiation to find the gradients needed for back propagation. Okay, neural networks are what? They are used as differentiation to find the gradients needed for back propagation. I hope this is clear. Okay, this is back propagation. They are of two types. This is the continuation, backward propagation continuation. Okay, thank you.